Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and you are learning Namaz for Men. Inshallah, today we are going to start how will be the position of a man in Ruku when we pray Namaz, and what we recite in the Namaz at that position, like in Ruku. Let us move to the lesson. So before starting the lesson, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, so please subscribe it for latest videos. And if you want to start online classes with us, you can contact through the email, through our Skype ID. Now we are going to start. In the last class, we read about the Qiyam position. Like after the Surah Fatiha, we read the short surah or the 3 small ayat of the Quran. And in the last class, we read Surah al Ikhlas. And after that surah, now we move to the Ruku. Like after the Qiyam position, what we read in the Qiyam position, we read already that. And after that, now we are going into Ruku. What is Ruku? You can see is this position which you are looking here. This is one figure. So this is basically Ruku position after the Qiyam. So you can see the instructions are here. Ruku, bowing down. Men should keep the back and arm straight and hold the knees with the fingers apart, ensuring the arms do not touch the body. As you can see in the figure number 4, like your back and your arm should be straight. As you can see in this image, like this back is a straight. This is for man. This back should be straight, and the arms also should be straight, as you can see here. So that they are telling us, and hold the knees with the fingers apart, ensuring the arms do not touch the body. And we will hold our knees with the fingers and ensure that your elbows and your belly will not touch. Most of people touch their elbow and belly, but you keep in mind that your elbows do not touch your body on this place. That is the place, right? So there should be a distance between your elbows and your body. And for women, this is little bit different, and you can see the instructions for women also written here. Like just only we read here, but inshallah after this namaz, I will try to upload the videos for women namaz. Women should only bend sufficiently so that the fingers can touch the knees with the fingers kept together. The knees should be bent and the back should not be straight like a man, also ensuring the elbows touch the sides of the body. Women should focus their eyes towards the toys. And this is for women. In the detail, inshallah, we will discuss when we start the women namaz. But right now, focus for men, how men position will be in Ruku. The back of men should be straight. The arms also should be straight, and the fingers will hold the knees, and there should be a distance between the body and the elbows, right? That keep in mind, and then focus your eyes to the fingers, and then we start. And when we move to the Ruku, we will say Allahu Akbar. We read already Allahu Akbar, how to read. Like there is Allah name. Allah name is coming after Fatha, like Zabar. We read the heavy sound here. Allahu. Allahu. In the end, there is ha sound. So how sound would read? Allahu Akbar. Akbaru. So when we stop, so we say Akbar. There should be a minor sound of kaf comes, as this is the quality of this kaf. Ak. So we say again Allahu Akbar, and ra will be bold also. Allahu Akbar. After saying Allahu Akbar, we move into Ruku, and then we say in Ruku recite 3 times. Like this wording we read 3 times, this tasbih we say 3 times in Ruku. And how to say this? Sin connect with the ba, sub, and look in the ba, there is a sukoon sign on the ba, so we make kalkala, but this kalkala will be weak. So weak kalkala we apply on that place where you find the kalkala letters are coming between the word. So you can say subhana, this is the complete word, and this kalkala letter is coming in the mid of this word. And you also remember there are 5 kalkala letters. If you don't know about the kalkala, I will put a link in the description, or you can see to the right side of this video there is eye icon, so you can see there the link of kalkala video. Please watch there. So we make kalkala here, like we say sub, and then ha we connect with the alif. There is alif madda. Alif is coming after fatha, that we call alif madda. So we long here 1 to 2 seconds as we say subha, subha, and then na, subhana. Now we do not long. Subhana. Ha sound also make clear. Ra is heavy, the green color. Ra we read heavy. Ra we connect with the ba as well. Rob with the strong voice, like shadda sign is coming. Rabbi. Ba has a kasra b, but still we do not long. Rabbi. And then ya has fatha, which we connect with the lam. Yal. Rabbiyal. 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 And then ain has a fatha, a. Wa we connect with the ya. Ya is a madda letter here. Ya has a sukoon sign, and there is a kasra behind the ya. So we say awi. Wa we read bold, and there we long also due to ya madda. Awi. And then mim has a kasra, mi. Azimi. Azimi. And if we stop, we say azim. Azim. Now we say all together subhana. Subhana. Rabbiyal. Rabbiyal. Azim. 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 Now we say all together Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. So this is the tasbih which we read in Ruku. I hope you understand how to make the position in Ruku and what we read in Ruku according the rules of Tajweed. And inshallah, now after this, in the next class, we will stand up, and when we stand up from Ruku, what we read there and how we will stand up. Inshallah, see you in the next class, and have a nice time. Take care. If you have any kind of question, please leave a message under this video. If you like this video, so click on the like button and make sure to comment and let us know, like, do you like this video or not, and share with your friends and family members. Have a nice time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.